Sit down there, over there. Go down, go down. Okay, it's your phone. What do you say?
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, okay, you open it.
Wow.
Wow.
Another. Open the other one. What's inside the box? Remove that one.
Okay. Where's your phone?
Is that charger?
Where's your phone? This one is your phone.
Charger. Remove the charger.
Oh, this is charger.
That
What is that?
casing.
Okay. What is that? Open it. Oh, good boy. You know how the inside. Ah, you read that one. Okay. Learn how to read that. Oh. So excited. Oh, you have no? You have a manual how to do? Oh, it's a charger. Ah, only ano lang. Wala yung ano niya.
Adapter.
Adapter. Ah, diretso sa unsa. Wow, what's that? B, oh, B, like that. Yeah, you open like that. You see? B, show me. What is that? Oh, inchik. Wow, it's your mobile. Wow.
Let me fix first.
Okay, how to do? How to do? You do that? You know how to open?
Ayos. Sige, start. English.
English.
English, Philippines. Next.
Oh.
Isa. For view. Agree to all option. Press next.
Next. Oh.
Just wait.
Sweet.
Just wait. You read.
You read
Galaxy
first. You read
or
first.
Android device.
You read first.
When you press the first one.
Okay, Daddy know how to do.
Skip. Skip
Oh.
sa Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Wala sa skip sa ng internet. Turn on Wi-Fi.
Turn on Wi-Fi do.
Okay, turn on Wi-Fi be.
This one dong. Oh. You show to the camera this one. What is the model? That one? Wow, this is your telephone for playing, Dodong. Yeah. Are you happy? Yes. Dong, are you happy?
No, just wait. Next.
USB din siya kayong daritso ba? Alam mo yun? Ano siya? No charger nga ano.
Yun, ito.
No need the what the pangalan to?
Na, adapter yan.
Adapter. Direct.
Restart.
Laki po diyan yun. Malaki ano. Faster charger pala to.
Sana malata.
How to do? Yeah, you open that one.
Yagi nag-gawas ang cellphone. Yagi nagbutang sa kasada.
Yun na, iyahan na. You wear na ano, kwintas. Or mobile.
Wow, dito nga ba phone? Ba phone? What you said to Mamila? Balian. What you said? Thank you for the phone.
Thank you for our phone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're
Just wait.
welcome. Okay, you turn on. How to do?
Just wait.
Okay na?
Wait lang.
Wait mo na. Kayo sa look. Okay na yan, Jar?
No, good. Pagano. You read what's inside.
What did the next? You read.
Wait lang kaya nag-load ko.
Yan. What the next? Oh, you see, you read.
Getting ready. Just
Getting ready daw.
wait lang.
You read first.
Get ready, phone ready.
Read.
This may take a few minutes.
Take a few minutes daw. Just
Few
wait.
minutes. Alam niya. Reads daw ang few minutes. You know. Oh, clever. Yeah, look. He know how to read the telephone while loading. Wait a second. So, few minutes. Then, never touch. Because you know. You know.
Yun na, yan o.
Tangana ni mo kuan dong. Kwintas nga ano. Para ikwintas lang niya. Uso naman na karong ikwintas. Still loading pa dong. Yeah, still loading, yeah. You wait a few minutes. How many minutes were you waiting dong?
Yeah.
How many minutes you say? Press next. Uy.
Wait.
You wait. You read first.
Use another device. Can you use? Sige, next. Press next. No, agree. Ay, skip na lang. Isa.
You read first. You read. Still loading. Dili pa rin sa imong email.
Oh, you see?
Wala, finish na.
Press.
Okay, come on, sit down here. Wow, finish. Open na?
Stop eating.
Pwede nag-kissing nyo din?
Kanay kwintas niya ba? Kanang kissing dala kwintas.
Play sa YouTube kung namin internet. Use this one.
Yo. No. You try.
I need to be trying.
Oh, what are you looking? Camera again? You search the YouTube. Can search the YouTube first. Search the YouTube.
I need the 18.
Picture muna. Uy, kuya, wag tingog ka na, uy. Happy na, oh.
4.
Yeah, only the drawing. You can pick and then make it drawing. Wow, very clever, huh? You know how to do? Okay.
1, 2,
Oh, so look.
3, 4, 5,
Cover blocks.
You do blocks?
7.
Oh, no. Di picture lang niya, nag-edit. Picture niya, nag-edit, ibutang ng color. Ay, mas clever pa rin dudong kaysa kay Mamila.
Ba't na ka?
Ako yung si Mama.
Sama na. Wala ko na wifi. Wala ang internet. Sigaw sa baka. Sigaw.
Ngitaw eh. Ulan? Ito man ron.
Oh, bago, okay. Wala lagi yung kuan.
Wait, fix na sa inyo phone. Kaysa natin, ibubat natin. Ito yung master